Hey, it's me, Jeremy. I'm down here. So I want to tell you a quick story about my two emoji friends, Ashley and Amanda. Ashley saves $500 a month, and she puts all of her savings into a high-yield savings account, earning a 2% return. Amanda also saves the exact same 5% a month, but she gets a 10% return by investing in index funds. Let's see how they did. So this blue line is just the amount saved. This is the actual cash under the mattress amount. $500 a month times 40 years equals $240,000. But Ashley wasn't putting it under her mattress. She was putting it into a high yield savings account earning 2%. How'd she do? She made $365,000. That's $125,000 of interest paid over 40 years of saving it in a high yield savings account. Not bad, but it's not really retire money, and certainly isn't retire early money. So here comes Amanda. How did Amanda do? Over her 40 years of investing, she made $2.7 million getting a 10% return in index funds. That is the massive difference between investing and savings, and why investing is so important and crucial to building wealth. And so you might be saying, okay, it's easy to just put numbers into a spreadsheet and see these big graphs go up, but how does this relate to real life? Well, this chart shows you the actual return of investing $500 a month in the US stock market over the last 40 years. This is basically investing in an index fund. And so you can see there are peaks and valleys. So this is the top of the dot-com boom. And then after the crash, it was about 10% at the very bottom. Then after the second crash of the financial crisis, it was actually below 10% for a while, yet still way above the savings account. And then if you just keep investing your $500 a month, it goes way above 10%. Even after the coronavirus crash and recovery, you would have $3.3 million. So Amanda's $2.7 million is actually a bit of an underestimate. That is how you build this massive wealth. So there are no secrets in this course. This is not a get-rich-quick guru course. In fact, if you read this book, and only this book, it's by Jack Bogle, the founder of Vanguard, you would basically need to know everything you need to know about investing for the rest of your career. Or you could read this book, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. All these books basically say the exact same thing. Buy and hold index funds. And that is what we walk through in this course. If you want to read these books, that's awesome. Go for it. This is why I do what I do. I want you to learn. I want people to be able to know how to invest to build wealth. So this is the list of all these books and more on podcasts and YouTube where you can learn how to invest. But if you think that this course style or my style with an A through Z walkthrough of everything you need to know to invest might be valuable to you, then I would love it if you considered signing up. For the price of for a fraction of the price of a single community college credit, you can basically learn everything you need to know about investing for the rest of your investing career. So that said, here's a little preview of what you'll find inside the course. Every year you get 10% more money, you lose 3% of your. So inflation really eats away at more than half. Look at what happens in year 10. So in year 10, you buy one share of Apple, market order, commission's free. I never pay commissions. Through the magic of trading. But here's the thing. Who cares? Everybody else knows that too. Paying money, so they have to pay for their satellite and then get alpha. That is, I think, 80 times lower. But this time, there's no manager. For example, the principal is $240,000. The gain is $2.6 million. Just take it straight out of my checking account. So there's my checking account, and put it into my Vanguard account. So Roth IRA, $6,000. Can she do that? Yes.